Hello guys, so yeah, this is an unboxing video actually for the Starlink Wi-Fi Mini. I got it from my PMC today, and yeah, join me as we unbox this so you guys get to know the contents it has in it and everything. All right, so this is how it comes, very clean. All right, so I think we peel from this side, right? So we peel from here. Oh my god, I'm damaging everything. All right. It wasn't good, but yeah, we still take it like it. And the second part, this is it. Yeah, that's what we have. And yeah, basically that's it. And what else? Oh, this is quite difficult to get around it. All right, so there's another one here. So we peel that as well. So thick. Alright, so before we open it, I forgot to tell you guys, IPMC was at East Legon, close to the police, I think police barrier or something like that. Yeah. So yeah, you can get it from Accra, East Legon, close to the police barrier. That's it. So basically, this is what we have in the Starlink box. You guys are going to see it before me. It's unfair. But yeah, this is what you have. Alright, quite cool. I think there are images on how to install it and everything. And then yeah, it comes with an adapter. Adapter is cool. It's giving the Cybertruck vibe. Well, it just looks like a cube, but like, yeah, you get what I'm trying to say, right? And this is also, I don't really know, probably a mount, but we'll get to know as time goes on. Probably just a manual or something. So yeah, these two, and yeah, Starlink itself. But it's quite heavy. All right, so I think there's a paper on it, but you'd have to peel off or something. I don't know yet. I'll check before. And yeah, this is how it comes. It's nice. It's very nice. Okay, yeah, I think it just came off. Looks very cool. And it also comes with a cable. I think a power cable. Yeah, it's a power cable. Comes with a power cable, and is it 50? I don't know, let me not make guesses. Let me actually get the right thing for you. I don't know how long it is, but yeah. All right, and there's a manual here. You can throw it away if you want to, but no. This was we'd have to read it so we get the right things. I'm not going to read the entire thing. I feel like it's so thick. Like there are a lot of stuff in it. Like a whole newspaper. Who reads newspapers now at least? This is stressful. This is so stressful. It's like everything is so rigid. Oh. Alright, yeah. Finally got it off. And yeah, this is what it. Have you bought Lunat before? Like the Lunat drug? Yeah. This is exactly what you get in the Lunat thing. The malaria thing. It's a lot and it's so tiny. Like you need a magnifying glass. This is all manual. Okay, I think they have every single thing. I think they have it. It's like a repeated form of everything in English, French, Dutch, and every single thing. So I think this parts over here is for English, and then the rest are other languages. That's cool. That is nice. And yeah, that's all you get. That is all you get. That is all you get for 3,915 Ghana cedis. I actually bought it 3,915 Ghana cedis, and excluding transportation and everything. So yeah, the thing itself cost 3,915 Ghana cedis from IPMC. This is not an ad or something. It's just where I got it from. So yeah, makes sense I mentioned them. So basically, that is it. That is what you get from the Starlink box, or like the package or something. So yeah, let's get to installing everything and then see how it works. Hopefully we get like some good internet, you know what I mean, right? Yeah, stay tuned and I'll take you through the installing process. I thought I was going to assemble everything, but like this looks very simple. It's just like connecting wires and that's it. It's not even wires. It's like charging your phone, you know? Just take the wire and like plug it in and that's it. That's what it looks like over here. So yeah, stay with me and let's try connecting this and see how far it goes. Oh yeah, and before I forget, don't forget to like, share our channel and subscribe for future videos.